In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Circle. So, creating a landing page is an essential skill if you're looking to build an enticing online presence for your community and Circle. So, it makes this process straightforward. First, let's start by logging into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will drop down a menu. From there, go ahead and click on Settings, then select Branding. Now you'll want to scroll a bit down until you find the section labeled Landing Page. Here, you'll see an option to edit your landing page. Click on Edit Landing Page. This is where you will set the stage for what your audience will first see. Start by adding a title that's compelling and represents your community well. Coupled with this, craft a succinct yet engaging description to draw people in, and add a header image that visually communicates the vibe and values of your community. Ensure your image is of high quality to create a great first impression. When you have the basics set up, you may need to tweak the call to action or CTA button. This is a crucial component as it often drives your visitors to take the next step, such as joining your community or learning more. Click on the option to customize the button text and the associated CTA link to align with your goals. Be clear and direct about what you want the visitors to do next. As you continue customizing your page, scroll down until you find the toggle options for Show Plans and Show Join button. Depending on the purpose of your landing page, you can choose to showcase the different membership plans or have a simple join button. These toggles are there to give you flexibility based on the needs of your audience. Decide whether you want to entice them with specific plans or make joining straightforward and immediately accessible. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. Look for and click on the Save Changes button. It's a critical final step to ensure that all your hard work in setting up the page doesn't get lost. The last step is to preview your work. To do this, simply click on View Landing Page at the top. This allows you to see the landing page exactly as your potential community members will see it. Take a moment to review everything, make sure there are no typos in the text, and that all links are functioning as they should.